What happens after a solar panel wiper runs continuously for 43,500 cycles? Today, the auto cleaning system suddenly stopped. We removed the light for inspection. First, we checked the cleaning brush and found it was loose. Then we opened the cover to inspect the internal drive system. The drive belt was broken. That was the main reason the brush stopped working. We checked the other side. The drive system on the other side was intact, only the belt had become loose. We removed the brush and replaced it with a new drive belt. The purpose of extreme testing is to find the real weak points in the product, continuously improve it. After installing the new drive belt, the auto cleaning system returned to normal operation. The extreme test continues. We will keep testing durability in real outdoor environments.